Guys, if you are still somebody who don't know how to cut your hair during all this quarantine downtime, have no fear. Your boy Trey is here. Today we are gonna do a self taper. I'm gonna show you guys how to taper your own hair. So we about to get into it, and we're gonna go from looking like this to looking like this. But let's get into it. Stay tuned. We're about to get it. Let's go. Alright guys, first thing you want to do is brush down all your hair. That makes for the perfect fade. You want all your hairs to be laid down. And now it's time for the first guideline, or should I say bald line. I have my Lithium Pros and these T outliners, and you're setting your first guideline. And like I said guys, it's a taper, so I'm not doing the bald fade or the drop fade like I've done in the past videos, but it's the same steps. Make sure everything's even on both ends. And now moving on to the no guard lever open, and I'm going up about a half an inch. And each line, each guideline that you create will be about a half an inch. And make sure you brush down every time you create your guideline or your guidelines. Make sure you brush down the hairs and go back over it so you get all those hairs for that guideline, that specific guideline. Going back through, and these clippers came from Walmart, guys. These are Walmart clippers, except for the Lithium Pros. I got those from Amazon. And now I am using the one guard lever open, and I'm going up another half an inch. Brushing everything down. Twisting my hair out the way. If you got high top dreads like me and you don't have any Velcro straps, I have those, I just didn't use them for this video. You can twist your hair if it's stiff, if it's still in the beginner stages, to get it out the way. Main thing guys is to take your time. You want to take your time and make sure you're getting all the fades right. Next, I'm using the half guard, the 1.5 guard, sorry. This is the 1.5 guard lever open. And I'm going up another half inch. And this fades in between the two, which I won't use the two this video, but it fades in between the 2 and the 1 guard guideline. Pretty much debulking and helping it blend in real nice. And that's what the brush does too. When you lay down your hair, you're making sure you're getting a nice blend. I've seen a lot of people not brushing between their guidelines, and their fade is okay, but it doesn't come out as best as it could. So make sure you brush in between every guideline. This is very important for the best fade. Brushing it all down, let y'all see what it looked like. Now is the 0 guard, lever closed. And this knocks out the bottom line of the 1 guard. So we had the no guard lever open, And then we did the 1 guard lever open, and the 0 guard close knocks out that second, I would say, second guideline that was created by the 1 guard when you started with it. And be sure you use a flick out motion. You really don't want to dig in and create another guideline with the 0 guard. The 0 guard is mainly just to take out the line that you created with the 1 guard lever open. Now we are going with the 1 guard lever close, and that's just to debulk any line that was created with the 1.5 guard. Sometimes you don't have to use the 1 guard lever close, but in this case, you can do that if that line doesn't go out that you created with the 1.5 guard. It's coming out pretty good. Brushing everything down. Okay, now I am using no guard lever close, and this knocks out the first bald line that you set in. What you set in with the Lithium Pros or your T outliners, whatever T outliners you have, that first bald line that you set, the no guard lever close knocks out that line. And now it's just time for the lineup. Doing some cleanup work. And like I said, guys, you can do the same thing in the back. The same thing that we did on the taper on the sides of the head, you can do also in the back. Just follow the same steps and it'll come out the same. Now I'm just doing some cleanup work. Let me know what you think in the comments. And any ideas y'all have, let me know in the comments as well. Alright guys, that is the cut. Tell me what you think about it. Self-taper, nice and neat. And like I said before, guys, you can do the same steps on the back, tape up the back, and have it looking nice and neat if you want to, or you can just line it up. If you need more advice on how to line up your hair and edge up your hair, I have another video. I'll run it up across right here. Go check that out. But all in all, I like the cut. Tell me what you think down below in the comment section. Hit your boy up. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Let It Marinate. It's your boy Trey Smith, your host of Let It Marinate, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.